Hello all, I'm Rosemary Secretus. I'm going to talk to you about how to make a personal website. Let's create our own website. We have an open source for this, WordPress. So we will go to this link, wordpress.com. See, we just have to go to Google and type wordpress.com. So it will lead us to this page where we can see sign in here. We will move on to sign in. So we have an option to give username or email address and password, and then we have to log in. But this is possible only when we are the existing users of WordPress.com. As we are new to this now, we will go for sign up. So here we have, as it is written, 4 steps are the 4 simple steps to create our own site. So we'll go to the first step. What is our intention for having this site? Start with the blog, start with the website, then start with the portfolio and start with an online store. So here, as we wish to make a website, we will go for start with the website. Then the step 2, let's give your site an address. So we will have to type a name or keyword. It is not necessarily should be your name. We can choose anything. This is just the address of the site. So I'm just choosing Rose Faculty, and the WordPress.com is showing whether Rose Faculty is available. Okay, it is not. It is available and it's free because it is not actually used by anybody else. So we can choose it. See, if our name, if the site address we are giving is not chosen by anybody, we can choose that with this domain name. Otherwise, we will have another options recommended by them, or if we wish to make our own, we have to type anything else. Okay, so we'll select this. Then we will move on to the third step out of the 4. Pick a plan that's right for you. So we have start with free, start with personal, start with premium and start with business. We will go for free, so we will choose start with free. Then the next step is create your account. We will have to type our email address here. So see, when we enter into the WordPress.com, we can either go through the email address and password, or we can go through the username and password. So we have to definitely give an email address. The domain is not specifically Google domain. Any domains can be taken. Then a password should be given. So with this email address, the username and the password, we can continue. And as I am an already existing user, I'll show you my site page here and we will proceed from there. Okay, so on top left we can see 2 links, my site and Render. We'll go to my site. There we can see the first option is site preview. As I told you, I already have made a profile, so I'll show you the preview of my own site. We are choosing the desktop mode of view. We can either choose desktop, tablet, phone, etc. We'll choose desktop mode. So you can see my site here. See, all these are the posts I have already added. Okay, here you can see my pages: home, about me, paper publications, and contact. So this is the structure of the website I'm having. So about me contains all the details about me. Then the publications I already have done is listed here. Then my contact details. All these what I have given here. I can customize it anywhere, anytime. Okay. Now we will see how I have added all these pages to this site. So here we can see in the manage that site pages a link is there. So when we are choosing this option add, we can add a page to that. Okay. So the site pages already I'm having is contact, about me, paper publications as we already have seen. Okay, if we choose about me, you can see this about me. That was the heading I have given to this. Then about me I have added an image. The image can be added using this option. We can choose an image. I already have chosen an image. Then that image coding is shown here. Then the detailing about me. This is the content I already have typed and added into this. So this way we can have a page. So if we wish to add another page like a research, we can add, and then we can give a title like research if we wish to. Then we can type the content like this. Then if we wish to make a blog post also, we can add a blog post here. We are not doing that currently. Okay, now about themes. Customize. First of all, it leads to site identity. The name I have given here, that's my name as the site title. We can edit that if you wish to. See, we can see the change right after the edit. Okay, then tagline just below the site title. Logo, if you wish to give the logo, we can add it, remove or change. Then we'll move on to color and backgrounds. About the background color of this page. This is black here, already have selected black. Then fonts. Okay, we can choose any type of font and the sizing. Then the header image. Then menus are important. See, when we go for the contact, we can see home is here, about me, paper publications, and contact. That's how we have chosen the menus here. Okay, if we wish to reorder the appearance of these menu items, we can reorder it like this. Paper publications have just gone up like that. We can arrange it. Then if you wish to delete one menu item also, it's possible. So here one add a menu is here. We wish to add something into this category like research, we can add it here. Okay, so we have created a page research, and if we wish to add to this, add this to that menu, we can add using this option. Okay, then widgets, if we go for content options that are about how to display the date like that. These details will be done in widgets. Widgets are these things we can see on the right side. Here I am is one widget that's an information I have given about me. Then search is there. So all those about me, what I have already done. All these details are given. So these are the widgets. So widgets are arranged on the side so that the sidebar is shown. Text here I am is coming as the first widget. Search others. We can add a widget. We can reorder it as we just have seen in the menus. Then about static front page, your latest post for a static page. Uh, we can make it so like if we wish to have our latest post as the content that has to be appeared in the first page, we can make it so. Okay, so these are the basic details about creating a website and maintaining that. Okay, when we are going for this option, save and publish, we can save all the things we already have done and it will be published. And the previews can be seen. Once we already have seen in this option, so preview can be taken and it can be seen. Okay, so these are the basics we need to know when we create a site using WordPress. There are many features in it to make our site attractive. Give a try, explore the possibilities, and get into the world of an own website. Thank you.